Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching TechMate Beauty, and today we're going to see how to edit a black and white tone effect on your Snapseed on your mobile phone. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. Now, how to apply the black and white tone effect on your Snapseed photo editor. So in the case, you just need to first of all make the looks. Just click on to the push option. It's a push black and white tone. Okay, click OK. Now just go inside the tools option and you will see this option called curves. Click on this. Now you just need to adjust the curve to the low side. So here you can see only the phone has been on the screen and other it automatically turns to black. So this will apply for everything. If you're making a photo and if you're focusing any subject like a product or people's, you can just use this any filter like black and white filter and just make the curve to have a downside like this, and you can just make this effect black and white tone like this, a lighting effect. Now you can see this is how it changes look like. It's super and awesome. This is how you just create this black and white effect on your Snapseed photo editing. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate. Be unique. Have a wonderful day.